Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end. Let's start directly with pricing. VSCodium is completely free to use with no subscriptions, no paid tiers, and no feature limitations. It is an open source build of Visual Studio Code that removes proprietary licensing, telemetry, and tracking components. You download it, install it, and get a fully functional code editor without paying anything or signing into an account. From a pricing perspective, it doesn't get simpler or more transparent than that. There are no upsells, no enterprise tiers, and no usage caps. This makes VSCodium especially attractive to developers who care about software freedom, privacy, and predictable tooling. For comparison, Visual Studio Code is also free to download and use, which might make the pricing seem identical at first glance. However, VS Code is distributed by Microsoft under a proprietary license and includes built-in telemetry by default. While you don't pay with money, some users feel they are paying with data. So while both tools are free in cost, VSCodium's pricing philosophy is about zero cost and zero compromise, whereas VS Code balances free access with ecosystem control. Now let's talk about what VSCodium actually offers. Functionally, VSCodium is almost identical to Visual Studio Code. It supports the same editor interface, the same extension ecosystem, the same language support, and the same performance characteristics. You get syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, debugging, Git integration, terminal access, workspace management, and support for virtually every programming language through extensions. For most developers, the day-to-day experience feels the same as VS Code. VSCodium supports extensions from the OpenVSX registry by default, which includes thousands of popular extensions for frameworks, languages, linters, formatters, and tooling. Developers can still code in JavaScript, Python, Go, Rust, Java, C++, and more, with full IDE-like capabilities. The editor is fast, customizable, and suitable for everything from small scripts to large code bases. Themes, keyboard shortcuts, and settings behave exactly as expected. The key difference lies under the hood. VSCodium removes Microsoft's telemetry, branding, and proprietary components. There's no background data collection, no forced sign-in prompts, and no vendor lock-in. This makes it appealing to developers working in regulated environments, privacy-focused organizations, or open-source communities where transparency matters. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, VSCodium offers a clean, privacy-respecting development environment with no cost, no tracking, and full VS Code compatibility. It's ideal for developers who want control and transparency. On the downside, some Microsoft-specific features and marketplaces are not enabled by default, and setup may require a bit more manual configuration. Still, for developers who value freedom and privacy, VSCodium delivers everything they need without compromise. Now let's move on to Visual Studio Code, which is one of the most widely used code editors in the world. Visual Studio Code is a free, lightweight, yet extremely powerful editor developed by Microsoft and designed to support modern software development across platforms. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and is used by millions of developers daily, from beginners to enterprise teams. Visual Studio Code offers a rich set of built-in features, including intelligent code completion, debugging tools, Git integration, refactoring support, and an integrated terminal. It supports virtually every major programming language through extensions, making it highly adaptable to different workflows. One of its biggest strengths is the Microsoft Extension Marketplace, which hosts tens of thousands of plugins covering frameworks, cloud tools, testing, DevOps, and productivity enhancements. Another reason Visual Studio Code continues to dominate is how well it scales with a developer's career. Beginners can start with basic editing and a few extensions, while experienced engineers can turn VS Code into a full IDE with advanced debugging, testing, and automation workflows. Features like tasks, launch configurations, snippets, and workspace settings allow teams to standardize environments, which is especially useful in collaborative projects and larger code bases. VS Code also benefits from Microsoft's rapid release cycle. Frequent updates introduce language support improvements, performance optimizations, and new productivity features that keep the editor feeling modern and competitive. While this pace can sometimes introduce change fatigue, it also means developers gain access to cutting-edge tooling faster than with many alternatives. For users who value momentum, ecosystem depth, and industry alignment, Visual Studio Code remains a powerful default choice that adapts as development practices evolve. VS Code also integrates deeply with modern development workflows. It supports containers, remote development, WSL, SSH-based editing, and cloud-based environments. Developers can work locally, remotely, or in virtualized setups without switching tools. This flexibility has made VS Code the default editor in many professional environments. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Visual Studio Code is fast, polished, and extremely feature-rich. The extension ecosystem is unmatched, updates are frequent, and community support is massive. It's easy to onboard new developers and documentation is excellent. On the downside, VS Code includes telemetry by default, and some features are tied closely to Microsoft services. While telemetry can be disabled, privacy-focused users may still prefer alternatives like VSCodium. In terms of ratings, both VSCodium and Visual Studio Code are generally well regarded by developers, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent since these tools are usually reviewed on developer forums rather than consumer platforms. Ratings should be treated as general sentiment indicators rather than definitive measures. Final takeaway, choose VSCodium if you want a privacy-first, open source editor with full VS Code functionality and zero tracking. Choose Visual Studio Code if you want the most polished experience, the largest extension marketplace, and deep integration with modern development tools. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel and click the link below to access the software and choose the editor that best fits how you build and code every day.